The job is very simple. We install this tire sensor into each and every tires and activate it from the software, and the display will come out with the pressure and temperature of each and every tires. It's original BMW accessories. We have just retrofit the tire pressure monitor sensor for this BMW G30 530E hybrid, the latest model 2018. It's genuine BMW parts with no modification. All you have to do is just install 4 tire sensors into each tires and turn on the code, activate this tire monitor sensor. You can change the setting from PSI to kPa or bar. For me personally, I prefer kPa. Okay, done. There you go.